What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's another day, it's another dollar. Today, guys, just like always, we're gonna go through our live trade from A to Z, going through the analysis, picking up the stock, the execution of the trade, and all the other trimmings on the side. And you also get to see results of this chat room because we get to do it together. So we're gonna go through this trade, guys, step by step. Market condition has changed in the last couple of weeks, this week especially. So we're going to go through the thinking process behind our trade today before we make the trade and pull the trigger. So hopefully you learned something from this video just like always, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we got 20 minutes left to stock market open. This is where we do majority of the work. It's before market opens because our trades last 10 minutes a day. That's all of we need anyway, 10 minutes. So let's go through this checklist that I have for you, and maybe you can use it in your own trading. But first, let's look at the game plan that I share with my chat room every day. Basically, I talk about exactly what to look for on the day and the stocks to be watching. So at the moment, guys, in the last 2 days, the market has been on a rally. So it's pumping upwards because of hopes of the US economy reopening. And obviously, these stocks that have suffered the most in the recent stock market crash will end up following the overall market direction. So the overall market is basically, how do we know where the market is heading? So let's go through this checklist and then we'll talk about it even further. So find the stocks that have suffered in the crash the most. Basically, we're looking for cruise lines or airline stocks. They have suffered the most in the crash. Or an earning report. All right, that's a catalyst because news will always move a stock higher or lower. Look at the overall market direction. You can just Google DJI and S&P. Map out key support and resistance levels. Make a prediction on the pattern you believe will play out, and then react by looking at the price action, which is what we're gonna do when the market opens in a few minutes. And then risk management, right? That's basically the bulk of trading. So I'm watching here, according to this game plan, cruise lines, or CL, NCLH, or LUV, or BURL. That's a stock with an earning report. Okay, guys. So let's get right into it. Let's jump to the computer and let's execute this trade, and hopefully you guys learn something new here. All right, let's do it. So we've got a minute to go to market opening. I'm loading up RCL. So I'm trading CFDs here, but you can trade actual shares. It doesn't make a difference. It's the same strategy. So here's the overall stock market, guys, collapsing, pulling back. So that's giving me indication of basically where the market wants to go, and that's where it wants to go. It actually wants to go downwards instead. So once it breaks this figure, that was a very, very poor entry, but it was okay. It worked out well for us. So the market is dumping, guys. Look at the market, guys. It's dumping. So I want to be quick here. So spread screwed me over, but we're here. It's dumping. So I have it on the side here, guys. So the moment I see it reversing, I'm out of that trade, but thankfully, we're still in the green. All right, there's a lot of shorting going on. So this is the V forming. Come on, Cletus. So here it is, guys, if you can see it. Okay, that's the dump. So here it is, guys. Here's the profits. We're ready to exit. I was so slow with this, but that's okay. The market is just dumping and dumping, guys. So we're still waiting here, guys. So volatile. I mean, there's a sell-off, a huge sell-off happening, guys, on market open. It's just dumping. The moment it goes over 53, I'm out of this trade. If I take the loss, I take it. But I'm also keeping an eye on the overall market direction, guys. The overall market just says, I want to go down. So that's price action for you guys. It's looking at this and seeing where really the market wants to go. And not just this, but looking at this at the same time. All right, so we're getting ready now. This is the pump happening, guys. So this is round 2 of the V-shape pattern forming. Okay, now it's forming, it's basically following the overall market direction here, as you can see, guys. The market is pumping, so is RCL. Okay, it's the same pattern. This is a different thing. Okay, so after taking our 250, we are now back in with a buy position instead of a short position. Okay, and we're gonna be able to take this and walk away. Now once it goes over 53, it's gonna make a newer high. So here's the $300, guys, and we're gonna take it and walk away, because I don't trust this market, guys. All right, so 330 profit taken. Let's see how the chat is doing. All greens. Green, 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 green. Green means profit, guys. That's what green means. All right, what is this? This is $68. Not bad, not bad. Come on, Cletus. Oh man, this market is too scary. So green, here's $300. Well done. Well done, guys. All right, so I'm gonna leave the chat room as it is. I want you just to have a look, see how everybody's doing. Just keep it. So this is the V-shaped pattern we talked about, guys. Done exactly as we expected. Here's a red. That's okay, as long as it's part of the risk management, within the boundaries of risk management. A red is fine. So I don't know. See, I'm glad I got out, guys, because it got too choppy at the end. But yeah, well done, guys. Well done. Fourth green day in a row. That means 4 days in a row. Profit. Well done. The reason why I make sure everybody say green is because when you share figures on the chat room, you kind of get FOMO. So when you see somebody else doing well, you kind of want to jump in as well. By the way, if you want to join the chat room, it comes with the course, guys. Yeah, it comes with the course. It's the first link in the description. So well done, guys. That's the way I like the chat room to be, full green. It makes me feel good, you know, seeing everybody do well. Well done. Some people are paper trading, some people are real. So it was a perfect V-shaped pattern, guys. Perfect V-shaped pattern. But it will end up coming back again, so it's gonna be another short position, I believe. No, we won't touch it for today. Maybe later, when I finish the video. Green RCL, well done, guys. So yeah, I mean, what happened here is I was actually following the Dow Jones chart. I wasn't even looking at the actual stock for guidance. I was looking at the DJI, because the way it was behaving was the same, and you've seen it, guys. It was the same behavior as the other stock. Here's $690. Well done, great. So hopefully this motivates you guys, you know, and hopefully that taught you something different here, following the overall market direction. Obviously 500 is just the minimum. You know, after this video, I'll probably go back to see if I can find another opportunity for me personally. So see you again for more videos, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like button if you learned a thing or two. And again, look at my tutorials. You probably learned something different here, but I'm sure you'll find some value on my channel when it comes to trading, this style of trading. So it was somewhat, the behavior of the stock market was reflecting the behavior of, or the stock was reflecting the behavior of the stock market. Okay, so that's all I want to say, guys. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. Practice, 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 learn. And if you want to be part of a community and learn my style of trading, the course is there. Also comes with the chat room. See you again, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Smashy if you enjoyed this, and peace and love. Just like always, follow me on Instagram here. I share these results every now and then on my Instagram. And yeah, gotta go. Peace, guys.